Dear students, today's topic is coordination in plants. In the previous lecture we saw about the basic introduction about control and coordination. Today we'll be seeing about the types of movements in plants and how this control and coordination takes place in plants. Plants, as you know, they do not have a nervous system as that in animals. They use only hormones for producing a reaction to external stimuli. Thus they respond in a limited way to different stimuli. Plants, as we know, they are fixed in soil, so they cannot avoid various stimuli by moving away. Still, plants, they show positive or negative responses to light, water, gravity and touch. Today we will be first we'll see the types of movements in plants. Plants, they are generally rooted in soil, so they are non-motile, but some plants are capable of moving. As you can see in this picture, two algal organisms are shown. One is Chlamydomonas and the other one is Volvox species. These algal plants, they move in water. As they are flagellated, they move in water. And other types is the sperms of anthrozoids of mosses, funaria and ferns. They also are flagellated and they swim towards the female organs in water. And now plant movements, they can be classified in the following types. First one is phototropism. Photo, as you know, it means light. So phototropism is the movement of body parts of plants in relation to the direction of light stimuli. For example, its stem, it moves towards the source of light, that's called positive phototropism, while roots, they move away from the source of light, that's called negative phototropism. The second type is geotropism. Geotropism, as the name itself indicates, it is in relation to gravity. The movement towards gravity is called positive geotropism, and the movement away from the gravity is called negative geotropism. For example, you stem chasa, such hurkun. That means it shows movement away from the gravity. That's called a negative geotropism. We use root asanch, it moves towards the gravity. It shows positive geotropism. The third type of movement is photonestic movements. These are those movements. These are the movements of petals of flowers in relation to intensity of light. For example, flower for example lotus, you can increase the light intensity increase gas dohas. You can close the light intensity decrease gasan. Go each have a moment petals have a moment with the intensity of light. A moment and photonestic moments. Type 4, that's called seismonestic moment. You get the movements of body parts in relation to mechanical stimuli like touch. For example, a plant touch me not plant, Mimosa pudica. You can fold can leaf touch karo, leaflets fold. The immon moment and chase seismonestic moments. Moment high a cool in relation to touch, quinty mechanical stimuli like touch. Number 5 is called hydrotropism. Hydro, as you know, it means water. The cool high moment towards water, then it's called hydrotropism. Positive hydrotropism by negative hydrotropism. Positive guy cool high moment towards water. For example, in root asanche, they show movement towards water, that's called positive hydrotropism. Stem have a movement away from the water, that's called negative hydrotropism. Number 6 is chemotropism. Chemo means, as the name itself shows us, it is in relation to some chemical. Movement high cool towards due to a chemical stimuli, that's called chemotropism. Is the types positive the way negative chemotropism. For example, in pollen tube you grow towards ovary. That means it shows positive chemotropic movement. If I get negative, the cool high movement away from the chemical stimuli, that's called negative chemotropism. Movements cousin type and 6 types. In my switch we have phototropism, movement due to light, geotropism, the stimuli as gravity. Third one is photonestic movement and in relation to intensity of light. Fourth one is seismonestic movement, that is the movement of body parts in relation to mechanical stimuli like touch. Hydrotropism means in relation to water. Chemotropism when the stimuli is some chemical. These are the different types of movements in plants.